Welcome back guys, CryptoFollow channel. Today we'll like to talk about this Scamanero token, TIA, Celestia. Alright guys, let's be honest, the super tech projects dump it like crazy because the venture funds this cycle totally dump, not even shy, you know, no shame, no shy with this dump. Even the meme tokens rug pull doesn't look like this one, because at least the meme tokens not pretend to be something special, right? On the BitGet, the lowest point on the listing was like $1.50. We dump it and stop it in June at $1.31. Again, analyzed on the Binance, so we sweep the liquidity pool at a listing price. And I don't want to talk about how when everybody scream we go into the moon because the Celestia, it's a new Solana of the cycle. No guys, it's just a pump and dump token like any other of these fundamental projects, right? So finally, thanks God and thanks to all of these projects, we can confirm. So no makes sense to spend at the time with fundamental research, you know. So this do your own research things doesn't work anymore. Of course, you have to check the vesting schedule, you have to check the fundraising rounds, you have to check the volume on exchanges, some news about releasing the listing. That's it, risky. And build the plan, build the zones where it's okay, accumulate, and where it's okay, distribute. So global targets, guys, here, at least middle term, it's 50% of this downtrend move. Usually, guys, we bounce it, believe it or not, we're gonna bounce. Even it's a pure scam, we're gonna bounce it. Here, top, drop, sweep liquidity, support, bounce. So yearly open, $4.65. I think we're gonna test really soon. Buy line, $4.81, also gonna be tested. I think here, we can see this month, even like this one, for example, $7. After that, drop. And if we hold the line, for example, here, the people start draw about a double bottom and we go into $10, for example. So this is a positive case scenario. So believe it or not, first one, target, it's a yearly open. We're going to test it. $4.62. We're going to test it. Next one, take profit. We're going to test it because it's a liquidity pool and $9.59 at this current moment on the weekly time frame. We're going to test it. So now based on risk ratio, right? It's okay. Time for accumulation for Celestia. Can we drop lower? Yes, guys, absolutely can. 52% at this current moment, 48%. We just bounced it from the historical all-time low, right? And the target here, 246. Buy line 275, liquidity pool 600, take profit 633, equilibrium of this downtrend move and a sweep of this liquidity pool 800. Is it possible to see the new all-time high? Yes, of course, guys. It can be 24, 26, 49, 33. So yes, it's possible to see these targets, guys. And this is going to be the end of cycle for this token in most positive case scenario. So now everything pretty simple, guys. Liquidity pool for uptrend move. So we need to break this high. $5.25 will be the 50% of this downtrend move, local one. So this was a global one. And here's the equilibrium about this liquidity pool. This is the same story. This is absolutely the same pattern, but local one here. From the top, drop, yearly open test, buy line test, 0.5 level by FIP test, $5.25, more than real to see really soon, really soon. After that, I will be not surprised if we drop it back in August and start build the uptrend structure, break the high, test the exit line, test the take profit line, exit line, and go in, maybe even to new all-time high. But 3 main targets. First one, yearly open, take profit, liquidity pool, equilibrium. Liquidity pool and equilibrium, it is the same targets. So guys, so this is it. Up to you, accumulate or not. Base it on seasonality, base it on the risk ratio. Now, of course, it's okay to take a risk. We can't know how high this token will pump or dump because under $1.31, there's nothing. Just the open space like on Aavo, on the Starknet, there's no support, nothing. Only the fundraising rounds. And the fundraising rounds, so bad for this Celestia. Got it. Let's take a look, guys, with other indicators, ADZ direction. Here's accumulation was at $2.94, June $1.31. We formed the huge divergence, formed divergence on ADZ, bullish one. We at the bottom of direction. I'm not a fan of Celestia, but like speculation, it's okay maybe to take a risk with Celestia. But you have to be ready for potential dump even under $1 because under $1.31, it's open space. Nobody, guys, nobody, listen please, nobody, even me or someone else, can't say where this stock will stop under $1.31. We can't know. We got just numbers of fundraising rounds. The same story like with the Celestia. The same story like with Celestia, the same story like with IAVO, Nobody know where we're going to stop. We already swept the liquidity pool. Should we drop lower? I don't see any reason why we have to drop. To drop price to 50 cents and after that bounce to $10, everybody going to be rich with Celestia again? Nah, I don't think so. It doesn't work like this one. Market mood here. Around here I posted we are in a crazy free zone. Here's a drop, disbelief, begin in September 2024. Now we're traded in capitulation and disbelief again. So definitely, guys, sooner or later, we're going to test $12. It's just my personal opinion. You can believe it. You can not believe. It's only up to you. A local one, guys. Here we can bounce to $2.92 and drop again to this one, to the buy line. So this is going to be the wasted time. If it's a Joule, it's going to be the wasted time. But after that, anyway, we're going to $6 because of double bottom. So the problem is, I think the main altcoin season can be in this autumn. And trust me, it can pump so fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 candles and finish. From $2 to 20 to 21. 4 months. Just 4 months enough to finish the ride. And the people base it on some myth, think we have to pump like 1 year, 2 years. 4 months, guys, 4 candle. 1, 2, 3, 4. It can be like $15 at end of cycle. Maybe it's just a test of equilibrium and going to zero. That's a problem, guys. 4 months, it's more than enough for crazy altcoin season. And take a look. After that, here. 98 days pump and 525 days dump. So that's a fact. And when the people talk about a super cycle for altcoins, guys, everything can be so fast. The BTC dominance can drop. If the BTC dominance will drop, it can be so fast dump now to 55. Everybody gonna wait to the bounce. And again, then we drop to 50, 48, 45, that's it. And after that, we're going to bounce and the BTC perform again. So guys, liquidity can inflow and outflow so fast and we can't control it. That's why better mark in and out price. And the plan can be, here's a potential, if it's a potential reversal, if we not see this type of movement. Here, this can be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 waves, for example, here. And drop. Everybody gonna be waiting the new all-time high here, but maybe it will not happen. That's why now, guys, no makes sense to predict the all-time high or all-time low. Work with this current range. This one, equilibrium. 100% profit, withdraw initial deposit, track the token. Pretty simple. If you're not ready to see the Celestia under $1.31, better not invest the money in. Direction. Based on direction, nothing, no signal for accumulation. Here's a whales accumulate on a weekly. 1, 2, 3. 3 weeks in a row was January, February accumulation at around $2.50. Here was accumulation $1.60, $1.31. So the whales accumulate. Now it's not a time to out of Celestia. Time to out will be here. So I think around like this one, we will see the signals to sell. Risky, but guys, any token is a risky story. All targets, I showed you, this is a global updates for Celestia. I highly recommend you, just an education purpose, go and check this video what I posted at the top and calling you now and warning you, no makes sense to hop into Celestia. Now, I can say, if it's not a pure scam and would not drop under $1, I have to confirm it's maybe okay time to take a risk with Celestia. I hope you like this video. If you would like to trade with my customer request, I already showed in this video, just write me DM. Don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.